Hi, this is Deal.Saver over on Instagram, aka Cody. Um, Try to find some really good deals out there. I currently live in Iowa. Um, in the very beginning of this pandemic, we never had a complete shutdown or a stay at home order. 80% of workers and everything were still able to go to work either way. There was never a stay at home per se order. Currently, Iowa apparently is like one of 18 states that is encouraged by the White House to wear masks. However, our state does not have a mask order, and taking into the fact that we never had a stay at home order, I am 99% confident that we will not have a mask mandate in Iowa. I hope this pandemic goes away. Um, Hopefully, there's a vaccine or a cure sometime soon, or even if not soon, hopefully there is a vaccine or cure. From a person here in Iowa, in central Iowa, there's like half people that believe it and take it seriously. The other half, or maybe over half technically, they don't take it seriously. They think it's a hoax. I think a lot of places are not going to take it seriously until it's in their local community. I'd rather cite on the air of caution. But then again, a lot of things don't make any sense. Um, I was at Walmart the other day. You got people talking crap about uh, the no social distancing or any face masks at school, but yet the two ladies were both within 6 feet of each other. Both obviously didn't look like they lived together, and neither of them wore face masks. How counterproductive. Same thing as I've seen. Walmart apparently is effective tomorrow that all masks are mandated in all Walmarts. Hopefully that goes through good without anybody getting killed. But you got parents taking their kids into Walmart, having the kids wear masks, the parents not wearing masks. Do you find any of that a little odd? Yeah, I find it odd. Yeah, there's a less chance that the kids would catch it at Walmart, but the parents catch it. They're obviously not wearing masks. They go home, and you get your kids infected, or could get infected, the possibility of infection. And then you'd have some real depression if it was something that you could have done to avoid something, and if perchance your kid catches it and has a really bad outcome. I'm just saying there would be a lot of people, if they had that type of scenario, that they'd be very regretful and probably suicidal. Just stating the facts. But people, I don't know. It's worse than the wolf crying story. It's like people hear about it, they don't believe it. They think it's all the government's just trying to control you, blah, blah, blah. That'd be a huge conspiracy theory if it was the whole world against it. Come on. It just, we're the United States. Where's the unity? I don't see any unity, seriously. Does anybody see unity? I don't see any unity. I see unity where none of us can get along and all that type of thing. But the point of this video wasn't all that. It was a little bit to get it off or whatever. But the point was, I just went on a walk, and, well, obviously you guys are about to go on a walk with me if you decide to stay and watch it. I'm at a nature trail here in Iowa where there is no mask mandate. At a nature trail, it's open, and for those that are in states that are locked down or anything like that, or just to get a peaceful mind or see some scenic views and sights and sounds of central Iowa, we'll be playing right after this. I hope you enjoy. And the most peaceful part about it, you're walking through these forests and everything. It could be any year. The forest doesn't know there's a pandemic going on. Nothing's different in the forest. Nothing. I've went on walks throughout the years at this same spot, and it's completely the same. If you did not know there was a pandemic going on and you were inside that forest, or inside the forest in a little bit, like you're going to be, you would not know there's a pandemic going on. Or an endemic, whatever. But I wish everybody blessings and safety and guidance and unity for this United States of America. Thank you. Please enjoy the sights and sounds of central Iowa. And by the way, this is being recorded on a Google Pixel 3.